Is this thing on? Yeah. Hi, good morning. It's me again, Matt. And I'm filming. I'm filming my second vlog, video blog, and I'd like you to meet some of my Polasay peeps. Yeah. Sige, hindi pa nabong ka lang para daw ka hinhin feeling ano. Siya feeling do rape victim, ikaw feeling Spanish chuva. Okay? So the first is Mabel.
Hi, so shy.
Come on, ilang.
Please don't.
And say hi. Shin, wanna say hi? Yeah. So they are the outcasts of our society.
Outcasted John.
Yeah. And we're filming live from the PJ Hall. Yeah, that's the PJ Hall.
Scare me.
I have no freaking idea who PJ is, but thanks.
It's for Jar Jar.
Thanks for PJ. Yeah, Mabel is a perv.
And so is Matt.
I'm not. Yeah. See the life of Mabel through the circle? Yeah, the circle where? Yeah, the circle. Freaky. Yeah. She has issues and advocacies. Yeah. So that's it for now. Goodbye. I love you all.
Just remember that your mother loves you.
Yeah.
And Mabel. And so I hope.
If you have problems, if you are sad or lonely, you can call number ni Mabel.
0921
0921
6643.
6643.
It's not cents. It's six.
It's 66.
Yeah, no, 0921.
Again, 0921.
0643.
Oh, you say it. You say it.
1037.
Again.
Okay.
Well, if you're lonely, call
If
me.
you're lonely, call me. 0921 643 1037. G. Go.